Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to link Sweat Wallet to Sweatcoin. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Sweat Wallet and Sweatcoin, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on my Sweat Wallet, as you can see, if I open it, I can just log in with my Sweatcoin. So after I click that, I will be redirected to my Sweatcoin where I will need to log in also in my Sweatcoin. And right here, this option will appear after logging in up into crypto. So I need to just click this one up into crypto in order to, access my Sweat wallet to my Sweatcoin. So I just need to click up in now again. And right here, I need to input my wallet, email and also check this, condition. And after that, just click open account. And right here, I just need to, click on the Gmail, click the link that was sent in my Gmail in order to continue the activation. And yeah, after that, this a confirmation code will be sent, and I just need to copy it on my Gmail. And yeah, that's it. So after inputting the code, I can now open my Sweat wallet and log in with my Sweat coin. And yeah, that's it. As you can see, my Sweat wallet is already connected or linked to my Sweatcoin. And that's all you can do. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye!